Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very silly looking Peely skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's pretty easy to draw. So we're going to start out with his eyes first, which is going to be two big circles. So I'm just going to draw one, and then pretty close to it, just draw another one, the same size. Okay, and then once we have that, we're going to draw in the mouth. So right underneath, I'm just going to draw one line across. And then from there, I'm going to draw in a U shape on the bottom. It's got his mouth open. And then the inside here, let's draw a little arc going this way. That must be his little tongue. And I'm just going to shade in the inside. And I won't shade in the eyes because it's kind of big, so I'll do it when I actually color it. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much the facial features, and let's go up and start on the top of the banana first. So on the side, we're going to slant down. It's kind of right on the side of the face first. And then now we're going to go up. So just kind of pinch it in, and then on the bottom here, just a slight V shape. So this is going to be the little tip here. On the side, we're going to go straight up. And then same V shape, just the opposite way. Okay. And then from here, we can draw in the little peels that come off. So right about, I guess, in the middle of this space here, right here, you just come out to the side. And then we're going to draw one line curving up. And once you have that, just go up from this point. And then now from this point, we're just going to curve it back in, kind of same curve as this one. Alright, and then on the other side, there's going to be one more. So right around the same area right here. Go up. This one's going to come down, just kind of do a little turn. And then from here, I'm going to go back up here. Just kind of follow the same curve, but just a little bit bigger. Then close it off. And if you want to add in a little bit of detail here, we can draw in one line this way and then one line going up, and then maybe here just a little bit of a line coming down. This gives us some extra detail in the banana peel. And then on the top here, add a couple of lines. And actually, we should add in one more shape here. Just draw another V shape on the bottom. Alright, so that's pretty much the top of the head. So now let's move down to the body. So we're going to continue this. Just kind of come down. And then now we can start on the arms first, because it's kind of, we don't know how long the body's going to be. So come to the side here. Just add a little bit of a fold there. So on both sides, it's going to come down, just a little bit of fold. Okay, and then come down a little bit. Here's the armpit. Now we're going to draw in the shoulder. So we're going to continue with this line here. Curve. Here's the bicep, and it's kind of skinnier. Okay, and then lower arm. And flare out. Curve. Outside coming down straight, and then for his hand, just a little bit angle, and then here's his thumb, just curve it back up. And then one line slanting down, and then here's the back of the palm. And then now we just curve this in. Same thing here, just kind of curve it, close it. And then we're going to add a little bit of a fingertip for the other fingers right there. Okay, so once we have this, now let's fill in the whole body. So this is going to be really easy. We're just going to continue this. So right around here is going to be the hip area, and then on the finger right here, just come across in the middle. This is going to be the bottom. So let's draw one little line like this, And then now we're gonna curve this to the corner and just close everything off. Alright, so that's the upper body, and now let's draw on the other arm. And I'm gonna have them kind of waving at us. So it's a little bit of a, different from this arm. So now we're gonna start in the armpit here. Right here, a little bit of fold. Just come down his shoulder. So we're not gonna draw his bicep first. We're gonna come across here. We're gonna draw his palm. Just come across. Draw like a little, kind of like almost like a little spiny face. And then once we have that, this is gonna go up. That's gonna be his thumb. Just kind of turn it a little bit and then give it a little bit of bump here. Okay, I know it's a little bit strange, but now we're gonna draw in the rest of the fingers. So from here, from this point here, we're gonna go up and then just kind of round it off and come back right into the thumb area. So it's kind of like a little mitten. So we're just gonna simplify it. And now for the fingers, I'm just gonna draw in maybe just 3 lines. Alright, so we're just gonna keep it simple. And then from there we can draw in the lower arm. So we're gonna continue with the slant here. Just kind of flare out a little bit. And on the bottom, just kind of round it off. So now that we have this arm, we're just gonna connect it to this. So right here, come down, and then on this part here on the bottom, just go all the way up to the armpit. Alright. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. Alright, so now let's draw in the lower body. So his legs are really simple. We're gonna start back up here on the hip. Just gonna come down, and it's a little bit skinnier. Just kind of curve it. Start inside here. Come down and curve it. And then here we're gonna draw a little diamond shape. So just go up with a little angle first. And then draw the bottom. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Let's draw, come across, come down, use the other side for reference. Hook it right around there. Same thing here, just kind of come in. Angle, and then on the bottom, same thing. Alright, and then now the lower legs, really easy. From here, just flare out. This one's gonna turn. This one's almost straight down. And then we can close that off. And then a little dome shape coming down this side. This one's gonna go out a little bit more. Close it, and let's just add in one little section for the sew. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So we're gonna go slant out. This one's gonna turn down, close it, and then same kind of dome shape. Go out more on this side, and same thing, one little section. So let's add a little bit of a creasing right here, right on the corner here. We're just gonna draw one little line for some extra detail. And that is it for this peely. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.